Welcome to the Intelli-Shade wireless battery-powered system module, where today we're going to discuss the recharge or exchange of the power pack. So the power pack that we have in this particular instance is a BAT Pack 2, which is our larger battery pack. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the three different methods to either exchange or charge the battery pack. So method number one is going to be the easiest in most cases, maybe some cases, depends. This allows you to leave everything intact. You don't have to remove the battery or the power pack to do the charge. What you're going to do here is just simply reach up behind the shade and you're going to pull down the easy access charge lead. What you're then going to do is utilize our 24 volt battery charger, plug the battery charger into a nearby outlet. You may use an extension cord if need be, and then essentially just plug this right into the easy access cord. Okay, and you're up and running. What's going to happen is on the charger, this light will be red until you get a full charge. It'll then turn green, notifying you that there's a full charge. Battery pack or a power pack of this size is usually going to be about 3 hours to fully charge it if it has been fully drained. So you'll be anywhere from 1 to 3 hours depending on how much energy or charge is left in the power pack. So then you can just let that sit, do its thing. The shade system will continue to operate and function while it's charging, so you can use it as you normally would. And then obviously when it's done and it's fully charged, just unplug it here. And then just set your easy access cord back up in here. Okay, and then you're on your way. Just need to tuck that in there a little bit better. Okay. All right. So that's method number one, or option A. The other options are removal of the power pack, and I'll show you the first option. So if you have a situation where maybe the window is higher out of reach, maybe for whatever reason you don't want to have the charger here, you want to charge it somewhere else, I'll just go through the simple process of removing the power pack so you can just charge it elsewhere. So you would just simply raise up the fascia cover, and I have myself a handy little cover hinge spacer, if you will, so I'm just going to stick this in here just to kind of keep this held up for me. And we can provide these for you, or most anything will certainly work typically to hold that up in place like that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to simply unplug the motor lead from the interface, and I'm just going to drop this down, and I'm going to pull the motor cord out of the wire mold, pull it up and out of the hinge bracket, and just like this, I can now, very simply, again, wherever I want, even if it's on the windowsill perhaps, I can set my battery here on the windowsill, plug it into the battery charger, and we are on our way in terms of charging it outside of the shade system. The other option, which is the option that is most popular, is to do a battery exchange. And this is especially good for those of you who have a service program with your clients and you want to go ahead and schedule this in with your service program or your established maintenance program, whatever you may have. What you'll do is essentially what I've already done. Just take down the battery pack or the power pack, okay, unplug it, pull it down. You're simply going to take the fully charged battery pack or power pack, and you're just simply going to plug the interface, the IZMC, get your motor cord out of the way, put that back into the hinge bracket, and go ahead and run this back into the wire mold. Hang this back up, plug it back in, and probably in less than a minute or two, we've done a battery exchange. And this is very helpful for applications or instances where you just want to simply get it done very quickly. This is certainly the method that we suggest, by just simply rotating and exchanging the power packs, because again, they can just continue to be rotated and exchanged as opposed to disposed of, and these will again just continue to do that for 2,000 cycles, which certainly we're never going to come to that in our lifetime. So certainly many different options. This is the option that is the most efficient in terms of having this done in a very short period of time and having it up and running very quickly. Thanks for watching.